Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 8.5. Your question A is find the sum of the following metric measures in both units and decimals. First of all, correct the statement, cut both and decimals. Now your statement is find the sum of the following metric measures in units. Look at the lesson plans. First part is 5 kilogram, 6 hectogram, 9 decagram, 3 gram. This is the one statement. Second statement is 7 kilogram, 4 hectogram, 3 decagram, 5 gram. And third statement is 4 kilogram, 7 hectogram, 9 decagram and 6 gram. Arrange the statements. बच्चे केजी के नीचे हम केजी वाले नंबर्स लिखेंगे, हेक्टाग्राम के नीचे हेक्टाग्राम वाले, डेकाग्राम के नीचे डेकाग्राम वाले एंड ग्राम के नीचे ग्राम वाले. आफ्टर दैट वी विल ऐड देम. By adding, we will get the answer 17 kilogram, 9 hectagram, 2 decagram and 4 gram. Second part is 7 kilogram, 250 gram, 5 kilogram, 380 gram and 2 kilogram and 680 gram. Here three statements are given to you. First of all, arrange the statements according to the units. किलोग्राम के नीचे किलोग्राम and ग्राम के नीचे ग्राम वाले numbers लिखेंगे. After that, add them. By adding, we get the answer 15 kilogram, 310 gram. Third statement is 2 meter, 3 decimeter, 6 centimeter and 5 millimeter. This is the one statement. Second statement is 4 meter, 6 decimeter, 7 centimeter, 4 millimeter. And third statement is 7 meter, 5 decimeter, 2 centimeter and 7 millimeter. First of all, arrange the digits according to the units. By adding, we get the answer 14 meter, 5 decimeter, 6 centimeter and the 6 millimeter. Now come to the question number B. Find the difference of the following metric measures in both units and the decimals. Same as question A, correct the statement, cut both and decimals. We get the answer, we get the statement, find the difference of the following metric measures in units. Now look at the lesson plans. First part is 5 kilogram, 7 hectagram, 2 decagram and 6 gram. This is the one statement. And second one is 3 kilogram, 8 hectagram, 5 decagram and 9 gram. Arrange the statements according to the units. किलोग्राम के नीचे बच्चे किलोग्राम वाले यूनिट नंबर्स लिखेंगे, हेक्टाग्राम के नीचे हेक्टाग्राम, डेकाग्राम के नीचे डेकाग्राम वाले एंड ग्राम के नीचे ग्राम वाले. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. 6 में से बचे 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो सकते, सो वी विल मेक इट 16 बाय टेकिंग द बोरो फ्रॉम द 2. इट बिकम 16 minus 9, it is 7. Now it is not possible to subtract 5 from 1. So we will make it 11 by taking the borrow from the 7. It become 11 minus 5, 6 decagram. Same, 16 minus 8 is 8 hectagram and 4 minus 3 is 1 kilogram. Now your answer is 1 kilogram, 8 hectagram, 6 decagram and 7 gram. Now second is 72 liter, 5 milliliter and 65 liter, 650 milliliter. First of all, arrange the statement. 72 लीटर, बच्चे इसमें मिलीलीटर के 3 डिजिट्स हैं आपके पास, 650 और इधर फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में है ओनली 5 मिलीलीटर. सो वी विल राइट इट लाइक 005, नॉट 500, इट इज़ 005 एंड उसके नीचे आ रहा है 650. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग वी गेट द आंसर 6 लीटर, 355 मिलीलीटर. नाउ थर्ड पार्ट इज 8 किलोग्राम, 250 ग्राम and 4 kilogram, 750 gram. Kilogram and gram, write down the units and place the sign of subtraction. Now 8 kilogram, 250 gram. Second statement is 4 kilogram and 750 grams. Now subtract them. By subtracting we get the answer 3 kilogram and 500 gram. Now come to the question number C, that is find the product. 6 kilometer, 5 hectometer, 3 decameter, 4 meter by 12. But first of all, there are 4 units given to you. Convert the whole statement in the single unit. According to the formula, you know that 1 hectogram is equals to 1 by 10 kilometer, 1 decameter is equals to 1 by 100 kilometer and 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Now convert the whole statement in kilometers. किलोमीटर वाला एज इट इज़ आ जाएगा, हेक्टोग्राम को जब हम किलोमीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, इट बिकम 5/10 किलोमीटर, 3/100 किलोमीटर and 4/1000 kilometer. Now it become 6.534 kilometers. Now multiply this whole statement with 12. On multiplication we get the answer 78.408 kilometers. Now second part is 25 liter 175 milliliter by 15. Same as we done in the question part number 1. First of all, convert this statement in liters. As you know, 1 milliliter is equals to 1/1000 liters. 25 liter as it is, 175/1000 liter. Now it become 25.175 liters. Now multiply 25.175 with 15. We got the answer 377.625 liters. Third part is 57 kilogram 275 gram by 13. First of all, convert this statement into kilograms. As you know, 1 gram is equals to 1/1000 kilogram. Do the conversion. 57 kilogram as it is, 275/1000 kilogram. Now it become 57.275 kilograms. Now multiply this statement with 13. We got the answer 744.575 kilogram. That's it, students. Now complete question A, B and C with the help of video and lesson plans. Thank you.